Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Today we are doing a quick unboxing video. What are we unboxing? Let me show y'all. This is what we're unboxing today. So I bought some moon boots and y'all, they gave me a bag. I paid $250 for these boots and they couldn't even come in like a lit box, but it's cool. So I guess it's really, we're unbagging some moon boots. This is a bag. I didn't really do no research on them. I just know a lot of people had them. I was like, those are cute, but I went all black, triple black. So, and I really feel like they should have came in a box, because what? Okay, so this is what we got. We got some all black is hard. Those are cute. Like, and we're going to Colorado in a couple days, so I was like, I ain't messing with my Uggs no more. They're cute. I'm about to try them on and see. Do they got left or right on them though? No left, no right. Okay. Let's try these on real fast. $1 should come with a box. It should literally come with a box. And don't mind my clips because I'm going somewhere later and the clips work. I need to put some lashes on, but the clips work. Let's get them a little tight. I didn't know I was gonna try these on. Y'all, what are these? Okay, I guess they look better in the snow. What y'all think? I don't care what y'all think because I gotta wear them, but hold on, time out. Let's do some research on moon boots real fast. Let's see who made this, because what is this? You know, I don't want to be a hype beast, like, just because everybody got them type shit. Like, I don't want to be like, don't be a hype beast. Let me see. Moon boots. Okay, so I just went on moon boots website because I need to know what I'm wearing. Like I said, we're not gonna be no hype beast. So they've been around for a long time. He wanted to put a twist on some boots for the snow. Okay, I knew it was a ski boot, but I just wanted to know a little more. Okay, whether in the mountains, in the snow, or on city sidewalks, the water repellent uppers and the soles of different moon boots models will adapt to any environment. The boots better. Okay, I just wanted to know who was in charge. Giancarlo Zanata. That's the owner. That's the founder. I like them. But I actually go to Colorado, so it's not really a waste of money. Or is it? Was that a waste of money? Was this a waste of money? Okay. Yeah, they're not made for like city shit. They're made for snow. But that's it for this video, you guys. A quick unboxing moon boots. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Let me know if you got some. Let me see what color you got. Stay tuned for my next video, y'all. We going up all 2024, period.